Nostro and Vostro, two important terms in the banking scenario, but very confusing. So we will be understanding this in a very simple fashion. Now Nostro and Vostro, both are the terms used to describe the same bank account. Now note, this is the same bank account and the terms are used to describe the transaction of bank's money on deposit from one account to another account, usually referred for international transactions or foreign remittance that is coming in. So nostro and vostro, what's the difference? Both of those are Latin words, and nostro, the word means ours. Vostro in Latin, the word means yours. So that is the major difference. Nostro, as we said, is ours, so it shows our money in your bank, and vostro is yours, that means your money in our bank. Now this might seem confusing to you, so we have a simple example. Let's say there is a person X here. Now this person has earning in United States. In United States, he has a bank which is Citibank. Now he wants to transfer that money to his own account because his family is residing, let's say, in the country of Nigeria, and there is the bank which is known as GTBank. So what this person would do? This person would put the money in the US bank account in Citibank in United States. The money would be transferred to the GTBank, and GTBank would give the remittance to his family members, as simple as that. Now what is the whole system here? From the perspective of GTBank, now understand this very carefully. From the perspective of GTBank, who is a nostro? The Citibank is a nostro account. But from the perspective of Citibank is, or from the perspective of the person who has put the money in US bank account, Citibank is a nostro account because it's our money in your bank. So here the person is putting the money in Citibank and it is his money in the bank in Citibank, and that would be translated to the GTBank in Nigeria. So what would happen? The money of the person which is being put in Citibank in United States, so from the perspective of that person in United States, Citibank is a nostro account, and when the money is going to his family members in Nigeria, it is a vostro account. But again, on the other hand, from the perspective of his relatives who are, or his family who is there in Nigeria, GTBank acts as a nostro account because GTBank is where is their money. Okay, so it's again a very important understanding. The money remains the same. It's the same money being maintained and the same bank account being maintained. It's just the changes in the form of currency. So both the bank, in the case of nostro as well as vostro, act as a facilitator. They are just facilitating the process of transaction that is taking place. Again, from a perspective of a nostro bank account, it is considered as a cash asset. So it's our money in your bank. So the debit balances, whatever are there, are considered as cash assets. However, vostro, I repeat again, is your money in our bank. So what happens here is, here the credit balance is considered as a liability. So here you have the debit which is considered as a asset. However, in a vostro, you have credit which is considered as a liability. Very important difference. Again, a very important concept that you need to understand. From a nostro bank, a credit, if it is a nostro account, the credit is positive in the nostro bank, but the credit becomes negative in a vostro bank. Simple, because it is the same money. If it is here, it's not there. If it is there, it's not here. As simple as that. So again, I repeat, a very simple understanding of the concept. Nostro is our money in your bank and vostro is your money in our bank. So whatever the person is doing a transaction, so the person from US, when he is doing a transaction and sending the money to his family in Nigeria, what would happen? Here, it would be a Nostro account from the person's perspective in US, but from the perspective of the GTBank's account would be a Nostro account. So it's all a game of perspective, a very simple and a very important understanding of the concept. Hope that's clear, and we would be conducting many more clarifying confusing concepts classes. So stay tuned for many more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.